Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Now we need to get the stickers on. We're going to do the letter X. This is an uppercase X, and this is a lowercase x. Next, we're going to put the letter X on the front of the tub. This has an uppercase X and a lowercase x, just like the lid. Now we need the sticker for the bottom of the lid. There it is, the uppercase X and the lowercase x. This one's a tricky one because X is not always in the beginning of the word. Sometimes it's at the end or the middle. This one will be interesting. Here we go. Let's find the uppercase X first. There it is. Next, we will find the lowercase x. Look at this. The first thing we need to find is a box. It has an X at the end of the word. Box. Next, we need an X-ray. That's a picture of the inside of your body. You can take an X-ray and see what your bones look like. Next, let's find an axe. You hear the X at the end of that word? Axe. Next is a xylophone. That one's a weird one because it sounds like a Z sound. But in this word, it is the letter X. Next is the number 6. You can hear the X sound at the end of the word 6. And the last one is box. It's at the end of the word as well. Those things that went in there have the letter X in them. Wow, that was a tough one. Let's say goodbye to that one and put the lid on it. Letter X. After X is the letter Y. See you next time.